Good afternoon, kids. I'm going to attempt to have a first fire on 2 RZs today. Walking into my garage. 2 more there I need to do. Maybe next winter. And here are the subjects at hand. I've hooked the fuel up to them. Haven't fed the carbs yet though. I'm probably going to fire up the yellow one first, set the idle, shut it down, then fire up the red one. And then if everything goes right, we'll fire them both up at once. The reason I'm doing that is if I fire one up and it sounds okay, and if I fire the second one up, I may not be able to hear strange engine noises soon enough to alleviate damage. So hence first fire 1 each, and technically second fire 2 each. We'll see what happens.